Plastic Molding Manufacturing is your manufacturing solution company for polymer-based products. We focus on plastics molding development, thin and thick wall molding, tight tolerance molding, part joining, and assembly. Our continuous improvement and development of manufacturing processes have helped us become America's technology molder. We work closely with our customers to simplify the manufacturing process, eliminate secondary operations and costs, and improve the integrity of the product. Our molding facilities offer flexibility in running all types of thermoplastic materials. We specialize in manufacturing products for a broad range of applications as well as for specific industries. With 4 plants and 100 plus presses ranging from 30 to 650 tons, we can manufacture components as small as 0.75 ounces up to enclosures as large as 80 ounces or 5 pounds. We will assist you in optimizing and improving your product design to achieve the best possible results to meet your component requirements. Our ISO Class 8 certified cleanroom provides an environment that reduces the concentration of airborne particulate and contaminants to meet strict medical requirements. We are equipped with horizontal and rotary injection molding machines to better serve our medical customers. Our cleanroom and documentation systems serve to enhance our customers' experiences. Our team works with multiple materials holding tight tolerances while delivering highly cosmetic parts. We are equipped to serve you from development to completion, from design assistance to decorating and assembly. We are equipped to handle any program you have, whether you come to us with new projects or tool transfers. Serving the mission-critical and demanding needs of the defense industry requires expert knowledge and outstanding attention to detail. Our team incorporates both of these factors to develop quality products for our defense customers. Proper applications of materials enable us to achieve cost and weight reductions, as well as improved performance for our customers' projects. For new projects or existing ones, PMM has a proven track record of being fully capable of serving our nation's defense contractors. Our engineering team is keenly familiar with the stringent requirements of the transportation and automotive industry product development protocols. This enables our team to meet all processing requirements and find solutions to manufacturing and productivity improvements. Our team's experience ensures that we meet our customers' specifications for creating products with total functionality needed to be successful in today's marketplace. We use high-speed, multi-cavity molding equipment with robotics and automated assemblies to achieve these specifications for our customers. Our capabilities include design assistance, designing for manufacturability, and using the latest technologies to deliver cost-effective products that support our customers' success. PMM has been working with OEMs and business partners in the connectors industry for over 35 years. We understand the complexity and delicate nature of molding high-volume connectors. We offer several types of latches, from simple ramps to complex crossover shut-off latches. We mold a prevalent range of circuit holes, from round, simple to complex geometry. Our experience with high cavitation molds allows us to maximize production. We make sure products that are being used by consumers are in the most usable and durable state. Our engineers are equipped with the knowledge and experience to help develop your product to have maximum appeal for consumers. Our goal is always to exceed your needs and surpass your expectations. From concept to production, we're dedicated to our customers' total satisfaction in each item delivered and each service provided. Our ISO 9001 certifications represent more than a registration by accrediting agencies. It's a process-driven culture of systemic quality and continual improvement. We are committed to providing valuable resources while continuously challenging ourselves to improve on our quality metrics to exceed our customers' expectations for all new products and/or legacy programs. Using our proprietary mobile automated trainer, we provide state-of-the-art training to our associates in real time on a continuous basis. This ultimate visual and audio multilingual training tool ensures that our associates are among the most highly trained in the industry. Additionally, our virtual sampling camera allows our customers to view first shots off a mold without being physically present, minimizing travel and lodging costs. Through the continuous real-time training, we're able to maximize productivity and maintain quality control. At PMM, we have the ability to automate molding assemblies that have different combinations of materials or colors into one single manufacturing process with our two-shot molding machines. Having the largest base of two-shot machines in New England, plastic molding manufacturing continues to be a leader in the custom molding industry. Insert molding is a process where thermoplastic resin is molded around another component. Often, metal end components such as threaded inserts or fasteners are used in insert molding, but additional components can be utilized, such as plastics, ceramics, and other materials. Similar to insert molding, the overmolding process involves thermoplastic resin being molded over or around another material to form one solid component. Overmolding optimizes the production process of components with complex designs, overloaded assemblies, or detailed cosmetic aspects, and improves bonding between the two resins. Plastic molding manufacturing has a wide range of services to assist with your project needs. Regular maintenance is very important to protecting your investment and maintaining consistent production of quality plastic components. We perform maintenance, repairs, and revisions for the longevity of your mold. At Plastic Molding Manufacturing, we are prepared with the technology, experience, and programs for all your transferred molds in any of our facilities to ensure we meet your project specifications. Our in-house secondary operations eliminates outside vendors, saving significant amount of lead time and costs for all your products. Since 1968, we have been working with our customers to transfer plastic molding manufacturing back to the United States. With 4 locations in the United States, we are able to provide local, multi-program manufacturing solutions. Plastic Molding Manufacturing, America's technology molder.